The C stands for comfort. Hello and welcome back to another episode of Tim Explains Stuff to Cat. Now, on our last episode, we talked about the C that's appearing on the Mercedes CLA dashboard next to the drive, neutral, reverse and park. And this is how you select drive, neutral, reverse and park. And as I think I mentioned on the last show, the C stands for comfort. Now when you look over on the dashboard here, there is a load of obviously buttons and stuff, and there's a couple of hard physical buttons down here. One which says dynamic select. When you press that, it comes up with various ones. And if I go over here now, well, you can actually see it's on sport. I press it again, it goes to eco, and it's on E. Press it again, and it goes to individual setting. So comfort is the standard setting on the one, and that's what it is on here. And each time you press it, it cycles through. So that's that. Join us next week for another wonderful episode of Tim Explains Stuff to Cat. Bye.